Hello and welcome to NextGenBanking London, the AI revolution. I'm Hannah Wallace, and kindly joining me now is Ekene Uzoma, Vice President of Digital Product Development and Innovation at StateStreet. Hello Ekene, thank you very much for joining us.
Hi Hannah, thank you, it's a pleasure.
Now we're going to be talking about business benefits around AI. So to start with then, from a product development perspective, how is your business benefiting from artificial intelligence?
Yeah, there are two things specifically that StateStreet looks at when it comes to the application of AI and machine learning and associated technologies. And the first thing that we look at is how can it enable us to become a more high-performing organization and at the same time to improve our processes. So from that perspective, we employ robotic process automation to improve and streamline the speed and the quality of the client deliverables that we need to process on a daily basis. And in addition to that, we look at how we can work with our clients and provide them applications that help them make better decisions around their investment process, whether it's applying machine learning to research documents and how those documents are classified, how those documents are curated, and enabling a social interaction and collaboration around the content and research teams to be able to deliver insights for investment decisions. Those are the two core things that we look at, and we continue to explore additional opportunities where we can enhance the client experience and the focus that we have to delivering better outcomes for our clients overall.
All right, well, following on from that quite nicely then, what impact does this have on the services you offer your customers? Because today they're getting increasingly digitally savvy.
Yeah, I think it resets the expectation as there's more speed, as there's better clarity, and as there's a straight-through processing that occurs. Clients expect us to do more, and we expect ourselves to get better and continue to perform at a higher pace to aid our clients on their investment journey as well. So I think with the balance of the improvement in speed and the improvement in quality, even more so, I think clients look at how we can work together to enhance their own processes as well. So it's a collaborative exercise as we go through that journey with our clients.
And when you're thinking about the use of AI, do you start with managing data or the customer requirements? Which one do you begin with?
I think the question has to really start, and you have to apply a design thinking around it. So it's not just what data do we have, what are the customer's requirements, but it's looking at it from the very standpoint of how do we create a holistic solution for the client that solves their needs that they have communicated to us. And are there any other opportunities to solve any particular challenges, or are there opportunities that are embedded in the question or the requirements that they've brought forward to us as well? So we have to look at it holistically, understanding what the insights that the client is really trying to get at, understanding how we take that and how we look at the different lenses as to how the client is looking to solve the problem that they want us to solve, and then we look at the data. So it has to sort of go back and ask ourselves why the questions the client is asking us or the requirements that they're giving us are the way that they've presented it to us, and then looking at how we apply data and analytics and the machine learning and then associated technologies to give a holistic solution to the client. So it's not just let's look at the requirements and let's go ahead and solve for it, or let's look at what data we have and let's see how we can drive insights for it. I think it has to start from the beginning and figure out the whole journey that the client is trying to go on, and the challenge and the opportunity that they're looking to capture.
So there's some exciting opportunities ahead as well.
Yes, certainly. So we're always looking at how we can improve our outcomes and how we can apply technology for the sake of our clients to give them solutions that help them and the clients that they serve, because ultimately what we are in the business of is helping to secure people's financial futures, and that's a significant challenge that we all face. So the technology is one tool that we apply to help us get to that end goal, and that's the vision for for why State Street is curious, and we continue to invest in these technologies.
Well, Ekene, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. I'll let you get back to the event.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming and speaking with us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
And thank you for watching.